So today we are going to see about SmartView SV Pro 75 inches, which you are seeing in the screen. This is 75 inches 4K resolution display coming with 40 watt speakers, and you have some inputs in the front also, like C-type you have, C-type USB, and normal USB you have, and HDMI port also you have, and along with the HDMI port you have some USB B type that is for your feedback, touch feedback from your laptop. So if you connect USB and HDMI into your laptop, you can touch and control your display here itself. So that's the purpose of USB touch here. And we have some hard keys here, and here one special key is there. If you notice here, there is a C key is there. This key is for the shortcut, quick menu. So you can configure any source, like if it is HDMI source or OPS source. If you want to quickly switch it, you can use the C button to switch to any source. So this is, and same like we have in the rear side also, we have some HDMI ports and RS232 ports also for automation purpose. And basically it is running in the Android platform. We will call it as a dual operating system because one is Android and one is Windows. So Android specification is Android 11, 4GB RAM and 64GB of built-in memory. So these are the hardware features, and if you are seeing in the frame, this is all alloy metals, and it is coming with H8 4mm toughened glass. So it is unbreakable glass. So no need to worry it will get banged or it will get broke. H8 sir, it's the advanced one. H8. And it is also coming with eShare Pro for all your wireless mirroring, and this is also possible for reverse mirroring also. You can also broadcast from eShare. Wherever if you are installed the eShare application in your SmartView panels, it can also broadcast your primary display to the secondary displays. And here up to 9% you can mirror your display. So you can also choose whether it is 4, 6 or 9. You can choose and you can make it as a default. And for security reason you can also put the password also. So whoever coming inside to mirror here, they can only enter the password, then only they can come into the session. So this one. So we will have a hands-on and we will share the eShare also, and we will let you know. So before that I'll just give you the overview of all the softwares. And if you see here, you have the GUI which you are seeing, the new GUI which you are seeing here. And first one is built-in PC, and this is source, whiteboard, screen sharing, files and apps. This is all you have the options here. Here in the right side you have the apps. So eShare Pro, and you have the two applications here, sign-in application and signage and voting application. So I'll just give you the overview of all the applications. Sign-in. So this it will help you to attendance purpose. So whenever you are using your attendance, like biometric sensors and all, so you just scan this QR, put your name, and automatically it will take the time for check-in. And after that you can also, once it is completed, you can download in Excel sheet also. Who came in which time and all those things, you can take it in the Excel sheet also. So this is one unique feature of SV Pro. And coming here, the signage. So it is not a full-fledged signage application, it is a minimal signage application. You can customize your signage wallpaper or something, you can do it. For the time being, it's not a full-fledged, so you can use it as a signage application. And visualizer. So visualizer is nothing but if you have any camera or document camera, you can connect to our display. Then it will detect the camera here, you can use this. And here one unique is, we have the QR scanner also here. Nowadays on all book you are getting the QR. Just with the help of the camera, if you scan the QR, that page will be visible here. So that will, for offline teachers, it will be very helpful. And this is voting. So voting is nothing but you can also create your questions. Up to 5 questions you can create. That's a maximum as of now. 5 questions you can create and you can circulate. But this too need a tab or something handy in the students, though they can answer in the remote itself. So that's the purpose of voting one. And apart from that, we have a Aqua email. This Aqua email is for creating your own email IDs like any exchange or Google ID, whatever it is, you can sign in here. Purpose of sign in here, we have a whiteboard, built-in whiteboard also in Android. Whatever you are writing in the whiteboard, that can be mailed to as a PDF or PNG, JPEG, any format. This three format you can attach as in the email and you can forward to your participants. That's the purpose of adding an email here. So, and here if you see, this is a floating tool. This floating tool, if I want it here, what I can do, just use your two finger, press and hold, so it will come here. And then if you want to go home or wherever it is, you can do that. This floating icon also you can modify. Whatever you want, you don't want, you can also modify this. And we have a built-in office suite. So we have a built-in office suite. You can read all your office documents like PDF, Excel, PPT, whatever if you want. You can just using a pen drive if you want to just plug in and you can start using your class. So that's the purpose of office suite. This lifetime without any license fee or whatever it is. It's a lifetime fee of class coming along with the panel. And so other than that browser, you have the calendar also. And one more unique feature, we have a dedicated C port on top. That is for especially for the camera. You can connect any C-type camera on top of this and you can start using your video conference in the Android platform itself. So that's one unique option here. So apart from that clock, you have classroom share. I'll just open it. So it's a cloud meeting. You can also use it for the classroom share. Once you scan this, it will ask you for the password, and whatever you are seeing it here are the questions which he created in the voting, that it can be accessed with the help of this QR code, and you have to give the answers in your own tab or mobile, clicking yes or no or any answer A, B, C or whatever it is. So that's the purpose of this classroom tool. So, and quickly I am coming to the unique features here. So if you see here, there is a source. So source, we can use it as a PIP, picture in picture. For example, how means I am going to built-in PC. So can you able to see that there is some news is running here. What I can do, I can just go to the home and click the source, select the built-in PC option. So you will get the source video here itself in the PIP format. So you can also put it in any top or something. Even if you want to make it small, there is an option for size. Click it and make it also small, or if you want to make it as a larger, medium, like that you can also customize the size. I just put it in small and I can keep it anywhere. For example, if I am showing something in the OPS and I have to write it in the whiteboard, possible. So I can, this is a whiteboard, from here I can also write it and I can do it. So that is also possible. So this is one unique feature of SmartView Pro. So if I want to mute, just click it and I can reduce the volume. Only picture will be there. So this feature is there. And coming here to the whiteboard. So this is our whiteboard here, which you are seeing. This is our SV Pro whiteboard. In the center, if you are seeing it here, the writing tool. This is all writing tools, eraser, selection tools, and you have the search engines. All will be in the center tool. Right side, you have the page adding, page background settings. This is all in the right side. Left side, you have the settings. Default settings, if you want to make it as a default setting, pen, eraser, thickness, color, this all can be done in the left side. And there is a QR option for exporting the content. And importing the image also, there is an option here in the left side. So I'll just start with the pen here. So if you see here, there will be three types of pen. This is normal pen. I'm choosing a black color and I can write. And The second thing is freehand to text converter. For example, I am writing hello. It will convert into text. And the third option, default nearest shape recognition. So if you are trying to put a circle or square, it will give you the automatic shape. These three pen is available in the whiteboard. And the next one is highlighter. You know that highlighter is a transparent one. If you want to highlight something, it will be a transparent one. And here the opacity level, you can also increase and decrease the transparency of the highlighter. That is also available. And here if you see this, there is a default shapes. For example, if I want a square, circle, I can use this with the help of default shape. In this, I can also fill the color. Just choose this option and choose yellow. Now it will be in the solid circle. So like this, you have the star, square, arrow mark and all those things. You will have it in the default shapes. And the fourth one, select. So I can select this and I can move anywhere. If I want to drag, if I want to make it small, possible, or if I want to clone it, or if I want to delete it, or if I want to lock it permanently without erasing, that is also possible. We have a whole lot of settings here. And if once I draw the circle and I have to change the color, that is also possible. Just click this colors and I can also change the color. So after writing also you can change the color. That's a unique feature. And just if you want to erase, just put your palm and it will act as an eraser. And this eraser, you have the two options. One is pixel eraser and one is partial eraser. So this will means it will select and erase. So it will select and erase it. So like this you can use the two eraser options here. And the fourth, the last one here, it is clear all. It will wipe out everything here. And you can redo this, redo, undo this option. You know that it is in the Word and PPT and all everything. And if you click this three dot option, there is a lot of options here. You can pull out the document from the pen drive, or if you are using having in the cloud drive, from there also you can pull out the document. You can put it into the whiteboard. So that is also possible. And this is text, normal text. If you want to type, that is also possible. And sticky notes. So if you want to make any notes here, and I can also with the help of sticky notes, I can type and I can put it in the somewhere after corner. And coming here, image. So this image is whatever images which is already saved in the panel, or if in the pen drive or others, you can get it into the whiteboard. That is also possible. And coming here, this is three unique feature of HP Pro. One is search image. So without going to the any other tab, with the inside the whiteboard itself, you can search image separately. If you want to go to the URL, that is also separately you can search. If you want to play a video inside the whiteboard, that is also possible without switching to any other application. For example, I'll take a today topic, maybe heart. So I'm just taking a heart image here. So today I'm going to explain about the heart. So I'll take this heart and just dragging it. That's it. So you will get the image on the whiteboard. So with the help of this, I can annotate. If I want to annotate, or if I want to explain more than the parts here, it is also possible. If not, what I can do, the other option, search web. I can search it here, what is heart. I can get the Wikipedia content, I can take a screenshot and put it into the whiteboard. So what is heart? So heart is a muscular organ. This explanation you will get it. What you can do, use this option. You can drag the selection which you want to cut it into the whiteboard. So drag it and then just give a tick mark. That's it. So your content is here. So for today's syllabus, heart is a syllabus I have taken. I have taken an image, I have taken a Wikipedia content. Still I want to explain to the students with the help of video. What I can do, just go here, select the YouTube. So blood pumping animation. Just I am clicking, I'll get the video also inside now.
The heart is an organ made up of several tough
So
layers of
simultaneously, if you want to explain
the
something,
pericardium is
I
the
can
thin
also
layer
write
that
whatever
covers the
if I
exterior,
want to explain it. It is also
while the
possible by
endocardium
parallelly.
lines
You
the
can
inside wall.
write and as well as video can be
The
run.
heart is divided into 4 chambers.
So now,
two upper,
now I have explained my today's syllabus heart, and I have taken a content regarding a video also I have taken. Now what I am going to do, I am going to review that. So I am calling a 3 students to give the summary. What I can do, just click the 3 dot, that is the canvas option. Use the split mode. So you have the split mode, you can convert into 2 or 3. So you can call student number 1 and explain something about some topic related to the heart, and student number 2 some topic, and student number 3 some topic. So if you see here, whenever I am going to the split board number 1, the color will be remain same. If I go to the second, which color I choose, it will be remain same only. So I can give you the entire summary of some topics with the help of 3 students. So I have done the class. So I have taken an image, screenshot of Wikipedia, video, and I asked 3 students to summarize. Totally my today's subject is over. So what I can do, I can paste this summary page into the primary whiteboard also. So just click the 3 dot, take the screenshot option, use the full screen and the center one. Just if you click this, it will go into the primary whiteboard. So it will go into the primary whiteboard also here. So whatever I written it will be in the primary whiteboard. So this package, entire package, today class is finished. So what I can do, this class I finished, today I can share to my students. If not, there is an option to save. Save as. So it means it will save in the IWB format only. Next day you can continue with the whiteboard. That is the use of save as. If you want to send it to the students, use this QR, and there is a 3 options here: PNG, PDF and JPEG. Anything you can select. If you want to add pages, just click this. You can add a number of, up to 100 pages you can add for the session. And I click this. If I want to select all the pages, yes, you can select. Or if you want to save any particular pages, you can select and you can share. I am giving all pages here and PDF and giving next. So this will create a QR. If you are in the same network, scan that all the document on your mobile phone. So later on, if you have nowadays all classes are having a WhatsApp group, even from kindergarten to 5th standard or whatever the classes, even colleges also having. So you can share the today content on WhatsApp or not. If not, you can use the share option. There is a 3 options available here. Right now we have the FC, save with FC. It means it will save in the local device, internal device, or if you want to add cloud. So this add cloud, I have one more option where to add this, I will tell you. So or temporarily if you want to sign in and if you want to save, it is also possible. Vice versa, it's also possible, as I said earlier. If you have any document in the cloud, right, you can also pull out, put it in the whiteboard. And once finished the class, you can share it, you can save it in the same drive. That is also possible. If I don't have the cloud drive, what can I do? There is an option for FTP and local network. You can create a local folder in your network itself that you can map it here. So all the teachers can push the content on that particular folder and they can open it here and they can do the class here. And the second option, email. So previously I told that there is email creation. No? with the help of, if you create the email ID already, it will it will attach as a PDF format, or any format if you are choosing, it will attach in that format, and put the email ID, you can send it to the participants. So this is how the entire whiteboard will work. So apart from that, we have options like, if you want change the background color to black, or I need to put it in the checked one. Those all the patterns you can change it in the background. And if you want to make your own background, there is an option also here. You can also make it your own background. And here you can also promote like this. This is not for the, it is not only for the teaching staff, even for the PT teacher or any other, for music class teachers. You can also use the interactive board. How? We have the templates on the backside. Or if you want, you can create any templates also on the backside, like music note, keyboards, or like that you can create. You can create one football ground as a background image. You can do the game planning here, who is going to play forward, backward, goalkeeper, and all those things. And same thing you can execute in the ground. So like this also you can promote it. And coming here into the settings. So whatever settings if you want to do as a default, we have the option here, background color. Once I open the whiteboard, what should be the background color? Default, you can make it here. Pen color, you can do it. Thickness, eraser, whatever it is, you can make it as a default. And if you see here, there is a two option. You see here, there is an option for object recognition. What it means, for example, with the help of this, actually there, if you see this, there will be a two thickness, 2 mm and 6 mm. So this 2 mm, I am selecting one color, black color. With the help of 6 mm, I am selecting one more color, blue. So if I go back to the 2 mm thickness, it will remain same color. If I come back to the 6 mm, it will remain the same color. So if you want to do any marking or any tick mark or into mark, you can use this two stylus tips. If not, there is other option also. With the help of backside, I can select the eraser, and with the help of 2 mm pen, so I can write and I can erase. So you can use like our older eraser, pencil eraser, no? That kind of a thing. So that's the help of object recognition. And if you choose find pen only means, we have the one more feature available here. You open this, use the 6 mm thickness, you can use the infinity canvas here. So you can scroll the canvas one, and if you want, you can come into the one single page. So this is also possible with the help of selecting the default options. So this is about whiteboard. Any questions here? If now it is open for the question. If you want to import the image, all the things is available here. So yeah, one more thing. So here we have the option for on-screen annotation. So what I can do, just click this pen tool. It will go to the whiteboard. If you come back to the home screen and press this screen, and there is a pen icon is here. Click it, you will get the floating tool on the bottom. Here, wherever you want to do the annotation is possible. Any of the documents, PDF, PPT, Excel, or mirroring with the help of eShare Pro, if you are mirroring any document. On top of that, you can also do the marking. So for example, I can write something here, and if I want to take a screenshot, there is the option. So if I click it, I can use the full screen, and if I can use the full screen, and I can save or insert when it will go into the existing whiteboard. So it will take you into the existing whiteboard. Like that, you can also cut the screenshot and you can get it into the whiteboard also. And in the floating tool, we have the other options like brightness adjustment, volume, all those things you can adjust here itself. And there is a one more option also, just use your 3 fingers, just above the SmartView option, swipe it up. We have this quick buttons here, so you can take a screenshot and sound only option. These all options are available here. So, and I missed out the file commander. This is a file commander. Here you can add the cloud. So I missed out this option. So you can add your cloud permanently here. This will helpful to pull out the content and save the content into the cloud drive also. And here the FTP and local server domain, if you want to have, it is possible. Just click the plus button, and here you can put the server name and domain port numbers and all. You will get added. Same like local network also, you can map it here. So domain ID, IP and all those, put the password, and you can create the local folder also with the help of this. So this is a thing of Android, what you are seeing here. I'm going into the settings here. So normal settings, you have Wi-Fi connection, all those settings you have here. Bluetooth, we have a Bluetooth 5.2. So if you want to connect any headset or AirPods or something, if you want to use as a personal device, it is also possible. And language input, you can keyboard selection, language, all those things you can do it here. This is screenshot, whichever we are taking, how many days it has to be default saved. So you can also customize that. And coming here, very unique, Smart Production. So in Smart Production, we have 3 options. This is change the white brightness in the writing board, the first option. The second is ambient lighting sensor. The third is blue light. You know that blue light it will emit, so you can filter the level. So I'll just enable the first one. So just observe what it is happening. I'm just writing in the whiteboard, automatically this brightness is getting down. So if I remove the hand from the board, it automatically get increased. So this will be very helpful the teachers who is standing long time in front of the display. So apart from that, themes, wallpaper and all, you can change it. If you want any wallpaper themes, if you want to add the wallpaper, custom wallpaper, it is also possible. And coming here for the input and settings. So if you want to select the favorite source, you can also select any PC or whatever it is, you can select it from this option. And the C function, the key which I talked about, the shortcut here, you can also customize that. So anything like, for example, built-in PC I'm giving it, and this all access. So whenever if you want to switch the new source, if you want to enable, that is also possible. And HDMI out, we have the HDMI out. It can also convert into 4K also. HDMI out, if you are giving to any other projector or whatever it is, you can also choose the resolution. And coming here to the security, you have the USB lock and password, like our mobile phone, you can put the password and you can lock. And the last option about the product, now, whenever you are getting the OT update, just check the system update, you will get the latest version over the time. And power button function, so there is a 2 option, shutdown or sleep. This power button you can customize that. So if you want to sleep or shutdown, my recommendation always let it be in the shutdown. So if it is in sleep means, so nowadays the security are only switching off all the powers. So what they will think that it is in switch off mode, then directly they will switch off and go. So it will get corrupted or more damage it will happen. So always recommend to put it in the shutdown format. And here one more option, you can disable the Android OS if you want. Directly, if you are selling to the corporate customer, I don't want to see Android, you can disable the Android also. Directly to switch to the source. If you are giving a OPS, it will go to the Windows source and it will start. It won't show the Android. If you want Android, there is a shortcut. With the help of that, you can go to the setting and they have to enable the disable the Android disable settings. So this is about entirely Android features. So Windows, you know that obviously whatever you are using in Windows, it is possible.